Cars Jade, the home for grown-up car lovers who don't settle for hype and always dig deeper. If you've been watching the market lately, you've probably noticed something strange. Some new cars are sitting on dealer lots far longer than expected, and 2025 isn't doing them any favors. Despite the tech upgrades, sleeker designs, and big promises from automakers, these cars just aren't moving, and it's getting worse. So today, we're counting down 7 car models that dealers just can't sell in 2025, and we'll unpack exactly why these supposedly hot cars are flopping so hard. If you're shopping, beware. These may look shiny, but there's a reason buyers are walking away. Let's dive in. Number 7. 2025 Chevrolet Blazer EV. Chevy swung big with the Blazer EV, hoping to catch fire in the mid-size electric SUV segment. But guess what? It's been ice cold at dealerships. The base trim starts just north of $56,000, which feels disconnected from its true value. Yes, it looks aggressive, and yes, it delivers decent range, up to 320 miles on a full charge. But it's plagued by software bugs and overly complex infotainment, and most importantly, it's caught in pricing no man's land between luxury and mainstream. In real-world use, the Blazer EV feels more like a tech demo than a dependable daily driver. Long charging times, inconsistent UI responsiveness, and a stiff ride just don't inspire confidence. And let's be real, when Ford's Mach-E and Hyundai's Ioniq 5 are better at the same job for less money, buyers know which way to go. Number 6. 2025 Nissan Murano. You might be surprised to see the Murano here, but it's a classic case of a good car that's simply outpaced. The 2025 model arrives with almost no real updates from the past few years. Still running the same 3.5 LV6 with 260 horsepower, it's fine on paper, but behind the wheel, it feels like a throwback in all the wrong ways. The CVT transmission is drony, the ride is floaty, and the tech suite feels 3 years behind the curve. With Nissan focusing its innovation elsewhere like the Ariya EV, the Murano has become a showroom afterthought, especially when SUVs like the Hyundai Santa Fe and Subaru Outback offer more features, better interiors, and more engaging driving dynamics for the same price. It's a soft roader stuck in neutral. Number 5. 2025 Toyota Crown Sedan. Toyota's trying something bold with the Crown, a lifted hybrid sedan crossover blend that replaced the Avalon. But instead of winning hearts, it's just confusing people. It looks like a luxury car but doesn't quite feel like one, priced at around $40,000 and up, yet offering performance that's underwhelming unless you splurge for the platinum trim. It's also struggling to connect with younger buyers who'd rather drive an SUV, and older sedan loyalists who miss the straightforward, refined appeal of the Avalon. While the hybrid system is efficient, real-world driving reveals a choppy ride and indecisive transmission behavior. It's trying to be too many things, and buyers aren't convinced by any of them. Number 4. 2025 Volkswagen Arteon. Volkswagen's Arteon is a beautiful machine, no doubt, but it's fading fast. With most consumers opting for SUVs, premium sedans are on life support, and the Arteon is a prime example. Even with its turbocharged 300 horsepower engine and smooth DSG transmission, it simply doesn't have the brand prestige to command its near-luxury price tag. Inside, it's sleek and spacious, but VW's frustrating touch-sensitive controls drag down the experience. Tech feels over-engineered rather than intuitive, and for $50,000, shoppers are turning toward real luxury badges like BMW or Acura. Dealers are offering deep discounts, and that's always a red flag. Number 3. 2025 Infiniti QX55. Infinity's swoopy QX55 looks stylish, but it's all show, no go. Under the hood is a variable compression turbo engine that sounds high-tech but delivers inconsistent performance. It's neither sporty nor especially efficient, and the ride quality is more punishing than plush. Inside, the dual-screen layout is dated and clunky, and for nearly $50,000, Shoppers are asking, why not just buy an Audi Q5 Sportback or BMW X4? Those brands offer real prestige, tighter performance, and better resale value. The QX55 is a case of marketing over engineering, and it's starting to show in dealer lots gathering dust. Number 2. 2025 Subaru Legacy. Subaru sedans are a dying breed, and the Legacy is Exhibit A. It's still got that reliable AWD, and the 2.4L turbo engine in higher trims is reasonably punchy. But the interior feels bland, the infotainment is hit or miss, and the market's simply not looking for sedans anymore. Especially not ones that feel a generation behind on style and comfort. With the Outback overshadowing it in both practicality and popularity, the Legacy's days seem numbered. Subaru's loyal fanbase can only carry it so far, and dealers are having a hard time convincing anyone under 50 that this is still a compelling choice. Number 1. 2025 Cadillac XT4. Here's a painful one. Cadillac's smallest crossover is just undercooked. The XT4 has been around since 2019, and even with a minor refresh, it still doesn't feel premium enough to justify its Cadillac badge. The materials feel cheap, the ride is choppy, and its 235 horsepower engine is merely adequate. Starting around $39,000, it competes with the likes of the Volvo XC40, Audi Q3, and even the Lexus UX, all of which offer smoother rides, more refined cabins, and stronger brand loyalty. Cadillac's shift toward electric is leaving its gas lineup to rot, and it shows in how hard this one is to move. What's the takeaway here? The market is evolving fast, and these cars, whether from complacency, bad timing, or outright misfires, are falling behind. Some of them could be great with the right updates, but buyers today are savvier than ever. They expect performance, value, tech, and reliability in one package. And when a car misses even one of those beats, it doesn't stand a chance, especially at the dealership. So if you're shopping in 2025, stay sharp. A shiny new car with rebates might seem like a steal, but ask why it's still sitting there. Do the homework, test drive the competitors, and don't fall for badge over substance. If this helped you dodge a bullet or confirmed your suspicions about a car you've been eyeing, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives just like this. Got a car you think should have made the list? Let us know in the comments. We read every one. Until next time, drive smart, stay passionate, and keep it locked right here on Cars Jade.